Hey guys, today we are going to see how bottom navigation view is used in Android. Like this. So for this, we will divide it into 4 parts. First we add bottom navigation view in XML file. Second we add the icons and make a menu item list for the icons. Third we will set the icons in bottom navigation view. And finally we will see how we can change color of any button when it is checked by the user. Step 1. Go to activity-main.xml. Change this constraint layout to relative layout. Go to palette section and search for bottom navigation view and press yes. Make layout height to wrap content. Align it to bottom. Provide it a white background. Step 2. Go to Drawable New Vector Asset. And add the icon like this. Similarly add 2 more icons. Now go to Res folder and right-click on IT and select Directory. Name IT menu. Now go to Menu and add a menu resource file. Step 3. Add the menu list here like this. Step 4. Add item icon tint attribute. Now press Alt plus Enter on the red part and hit Enter. Now here we will add the checked and unchecked state of the items like this. Error is gone. Now run your code. And here it is.